Hello and welcome back. I have secured power. The power switch is off. I have not flipped it yet. I guess this is the moment of truth. I'm just going to try and stand here to keep the screen in the shot and reach behind. No, that's not going to work. Okay, so here in the back of the pet, we see all the warnings and such, and this is the power switch. So I would really rather be around the front when we turn this on. Okay, maybe I can do this. Okay, there's the screen. Let's see, I'm going to turn it on. Hopefully there will be no smoke. I'm looking anxiously at the monitor. Oh my word. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see that. So, look, it says Commodore Basic 4.0, 359 bytes free. Good golly, Miss Molly. The ugly pet works, or seems to. Okay, I'm going to put my hat back on, and I don't know, there we are. Well, no, we're in the sun, we're in the shade, we're in the sun, we're in the shade. Anyway, well, that is encouraging. So despite its outward appearance, it fires up. I will try to tap the keyboard. Aha. Oop. Well, Cardiff. Some of the letters, actually most of the letters are working. Not the O, it seems. Not the P. Spacebar works. Return key works because I got the ever popular syntax error. So I will have to test the keyboard further. It may be that there are some dirty keys. It may be that there is something else that ails it inside that makes some of the keys absolutely work and some of them absolutely not. My golly. Well, it has been upgraded. No, it hasn't. Not memory-wise, it's basic 4, but it is a 4016, and I think actually that was the model. It was basic 4. I think it was. So, wow, I'm pleased. I never expected it to come alive. Now, there's always the chance that in the next moment the screen could fold up, smoke could appear, and all this greatness could be very short-lived. But it doesn't seem to be that is the case. Not so far. So, there's only so much I can do while standing here, clutching my iPhone, and seeing what's what, and also I like the nice sunny state, but it's really not good for seeing the screen. It is not. So, perhaps I will stop this for the moment, and I will investigate and see if I can get this in a better position to do some experiments and see about if there seems to be like a whole group of keys that aren't working or just a few, or what. There can be, I seem to remember with one of the CIA chips is bad, some of the keyboard might not work. I should, of course, unplug the keyboard cable on both ends and just, reseat it, etc., because there can be, of course, microscopic sludge of sorts that can keep things from making good contact. Sometimes a pencil eraser is a good thing, and other sorts of contact things. You have to be careful, nothing too terribly abrasive, and you don't want to dump a whole bunch of water in there. So, right, it is time to perhaps find another location and experiment further with this fine machine. Stay tuned. Bye for now.